Choosing a research topic for your dissertation can be a significant decision, and there are several criteria you can consider to make an informed choice. Interest and passion. Choosing a topic that aligns with your interests and passion is crucial for a successful dissertation journey. When you are genuinely interested in a topic, you are more likely to stay motivated and engaged throughout the research and writing phases. Passion fuels curiosity and determination, driving you to delve deeper into the subject matter, explore different angles, and produce quality work. Moreover, being passionate about your dissertation topic can lead to a more meaningful academic experience. It allows you to make personal connections, see the relevance of your research in real-world contexts, and feel a sense of fulfillment as you contribute to the body of knowledge in your field. Ultimately, passion is a powerful catalyst that can sustain your enthusiasm, creativity, and resilience, helping you overcome challenges and produce a dissertation that reflects your dedication and intellectual curiosity. So, when choosing a research topic, listen to your interests and passions. They can guide you toward a fulfilling and rewarding dissertation journey. Relevance and contribution. Selecting a dissertation topic that is relevant to your field of study is essential for making a meaningful contribution to the academic community. Start by identifying gaps or areas where existing literature is limited or outdated. Your research should aim to address these gaps and provide new knowledge, perspectives, or insights. Consider the potential impact of your research on the field. Will it challenge existing theories, propose innovative solutions, or shed light on overlooked aspects? Aim to contribute something valuable that adds to the collective understanding of your discipline. Additionally, think about the relevance of your topic beyond academia. Can your findings have practical applications or implications for real-world issues? By ensuring both academic relevance and potential contribution to knowledge, your dissertation can make a lasting impact and garner interest from peers and stakeholders alike. Feasibility. When choosing a research topic for your dissertation, it's crucial to assess its feasibility. Consider factors such as data availability, required resources, and time constraints. Firstly, ensure that the data needed for your research is accessible and can be obtained within ethical and legal boundaries. This includes considering whether you have the necessary permissions and resources to collect or access the data. Secondly, evaluate the resources required for your research, including any equipment, software, or materials. Make sure these resources are available or can be obtained within your budget and time frame. Lastly, consider the time constraints involved in conducting your research, analyzing data, and writing your dissertation. Choose a topic that is manageable within the scope of your program and aligns with your proposed timeline. By assessing feasibility upfront, you can avoid potential roadblocks and ensure a smooth progression throughout your dissertation journey. Originality. When selecting a dissertation topic, strive for originality by exploring new ideas or approaches within your field. While it's common to build on existing research, aim to bring a unique perspective or methodology to your study. Consider how your research can contribute novel insights, challenge conventional wisdom, or offer a fresh interpretation of existing theories. This could involve exploring a new angle on a well-studied topic, introducing a new methodology or technique, or addressing an emerging issue that hasn't received much attention. Originality adds value to your dissertation by showcasing your creativity, critical thinking skills, and ability to contribute meaningfully to your field. It also makes your research more engaging and relevant to readers, as it offers something distinct and thought-provoking. By aiming for originality, you not only enrich the academic discourse but also demonstrate your capacity to innovate and make a unique contribution to the body of knowledge in your area of study. Alignment with goals? When selecting a dissertation topic, it's essential to consider how it aligns with your academic and career goals. Ask yourself whether the research will enhance your skills, knowledge, and future prospects. Firstly, assess how the topic relates to your academic interests and career aspirations. Will delving into this area deepen your understanding of key concepts or develop your expertise in a specific niche? Consider how the research aligns with your long-term academic goals, such as pursuing further studies or entering a particular industry. Secondly, think about the skills you'll gain through conducting this research. Will it improve your critical thinking, analytical abilities, research methodology, or writing skills? These skills are transferable and valuable across various academic and professional settings. Lastly, reflect on how the research can impact your future prospects. Will it enhance your credibility, open up new opportunities, or contribute to your professional development? Choosing a topic that aligns with your goals can lead to a more fulfilling and successful dissertation experience, preparing you for future endeavors in academia or your chosen career path. Supervisory support. Before finalizing your dissertation topic, it's crucial to consult with your academic advisor or supervisor to ensure they can provide the necessary guidance and support. Their expertise and feedback can be invaluable throughout the dissertation process. Discuss your proposed topic with your advisor to gauge their interest and expertise in that area. Consider their feedback on the feasibility, relevance, and potential contributions of your chosen topic. A supportive advisor can offer valuable insights, help you refine your research questions, and provide guidance on methodology and data collection. Additionally, consider the availability of your advisor for regular meetings and feedback sessions. Effective communication and collaboration with your supervisor are essential for staying on track, addressing challenges, and receiving timely feedback on your progress. By seeking supervisory support early on, you can ensure that your chosen topic aligns with their expertise and that you'll have the guidance and mentorship needed to succeed in your dissertation journey. Ethical considerations. Before finalizing your dissertation topic, carefully evaluate its ethical implications, particularly if it involves human subjects, sensitive data, or controversial issues. Ensure that your research adheres to ethical standards and regulations to protect the rights and well-being of participants and maintain academic integrity. Start by conducting an ethics review of your proposed research. Consider whether your study requires approval from an institutional review board, IRB, or similar ethics committee. Be transparent about your research methods, potential risks, and how you'll address confidentiality and consent issues. If your research involves human participants, ensure that you obtain informed consent and protect their privacy and confidentiality. Respect cultural sensitivities and diversity, and avoid causing harm or distress to participants. For studies involving sensitive data, such as personal information or proprietary data, implement robust data protection measures and adhere to data privacy laws and regulations. By prioritizing ethical considerations, you demonstrate professionalism, integrity, and respect for ethical principles in research. Considering these criteria, you can select a research topic that not only interests you but also meets academic standards, contributes to your field, and is feasible to complete within the given time frame and resources.